Hello everyone, welcome back to your online class. So please take out your EVS book, EVS textbook and go to page number 96 and the chapter will be is 12 and the topic is changing times. So we are going to discuss or we are going to start our chapter where we can find how the time changed, okay, how the time is changing and according to time how the people and the people where they stay, like their houses and how everything changes, okay, how everything is changing we will learn today. So you can see there changing times. My name is Chetna Das. Many years ago, I used to teach children like you. These days, I spend my time by writing about the days when I was young. I would love to share some of this with you. So, so the one who is writing this uh, is a person named Chetna Das. Chetan Das. Okay, Chetan Das. So whatever we are going to study today is written by Chetan Das, and these all are the experience or whatever he saw during his young age. He is sharing his experiences. Okay. So many years ago means long time ago, Chetan Das was also teaching childrens like you people, like you people. He was when he was young, when Chetan Das was young, he was teaching small kids or childrens like you. So, but these days means in these days he is remembering those things during his young age and he is writing about his young age, okay, and what happened when he was young. He is writing all those things these days, but a long time ago he was teaching people or he was teaching students or childrens like you. So whatever we are going to study here is the experiences and he is sharing all this experience with you, okay. So the first one is a big move. I remember the time when I was 9 years old. So he is sharing this his experience or he is remembering those things and he is sharing his uh, whatever happened with him during his young age. Oh, okay. So he remembered the time, okay, he remembered those time when he was 9 years old. It must have been over 60 years ago. So he's saying that he is trying to say that maybe it is almost over 60 years, okay. That was when we lived in Dera Gaji Khan. So when he was 9 years old and which is over 60 years ago, maybe it is already 60 years ago, and that time when he was 9 years old he used to live in Dera Gazi Khan. So this is place, okay. Today this place is in Pakistan. So this Dera Ghazi Khan now is that comes under Pakistan, okay. At that time there were a lot of problems all around us. So at that time in Dera Ghazi Khan, there were lots of problems. That means so much difficulty and so many problems all around them. I could not understand what was happening. So whatever was happening that time, all the problems, Chetan Das was not able to understand. He was not understanding whatever was causing whatever was the cause of the problems. One day Baba told us. So one day his father told everyone, like their family, that we had to leave our village and move to another place. So one day his father told them that they means their father, mother, their family, that they are leaving their place, like Dera Ghazi Khan, they are leaving and they are moving to another village, okay. I was sad to leave my house, so he was Chetan Das was very unhappy. That means sad means not happy. So he was not happy because he was leaving the house, and he was not happy to leave his house, and he was not happy to leave his village as well. That was where I had all my friends, all of us, Baba, Amma, my younger brothers and sisters, and I took a train to come here near Delhi. So when Chetan Das heard that they are moving to another place, that means another village, he was not happy because all of his friends were in that village only. Okay, and all of them, like Baba, his father, mother, his younger brothers, sisters, and Chetan Das only, they took train from their place and came near Delhi. Okay, like us, many people from our area also moved. So like them only, all the people, so many people from their place moved, okay, from their village to that place. People were saying that our country was being divided into two, India and Pakistan. So all the people around him, when he saw all of them were moving, some of the people from his own village were moving from to another village, and he heard that their country was divided into, like their people, their country was about to divide into two parts, like one is India and Pakistan. Okay, many people from India went to Pakistan, just like we moved to India. So as like I told you that they were moving from their place to another village. Similarly, some people, okay, many people, not some, many people from India were moving to Pakistan. For some time we all stayed in camp. So just like them, uh, when they moved, like they moved from Dera Gazi Khan, that means that is Pakistan, now it is Pakistan, and they moved from Dera Gazi Khan to Delhi. Similarly, from Delhi, from India, some of the people were moving to Pakistan. So for many days, sometimes they were staying, they were living in the camp. Okay, they were staying, they made a camp, and they were all staying in the camp. We lived in big tents that were put up in a huge ground. So they were using big tents to in the ground, and they were staying in that. So another experience he's sharing is that a new home. Okay, one day Baba told us that we had been given some land in Sohna village. So one day what happened was, Chetan Das father, okay, told them that they had they had been given some lands in village called Sona. Okay, he said that we could build our house there. So he said that we are getting some land, or we have got some land in Sona village, so we can build our house. I was very happy. Chetan Das was very happy about that thing. Okay, Baba and Amma worked hard to make the house. So Baba, his father and mother were working hard to build the house. We children also helped. Chetan Das, his younger brothers and sisters were also helping them. Okay, that means they means father and mother, to build the house. Baba dug the soil. So Baba, that means his father, was digging the soil, and we quickly filled the pans and passed them onto Amma. So Baba was his father was digging the soil, and they were filling the huge pans with the soil and passing it to Amma. Gudiya and Amma mixed husk in it. Baba put up the wall. So Gudiya means his younger sister was his younger sister Gudiya and his mother were mixing husk in it, that means in the soil, and Baba was putting up the walls. His father was making up the walls. We brought cow dung from nearby houses. So they all brought, that means from nearby houses, they went to nearby houses and they brought cow dung. Okay, from their place. Here also you can see cow dung everywhere. Amma mixed it with the mud. So Amma, what did she do? She mixed the cow dung with mud. She coated the floor with this mixture, just like she used to do in our old house. So his mother mixed the cow dung with the mud and she coated, that means she used that to coat the floor. And just like she in their old house, in their Ghazi Khan also, they used to do like this only. So mother did same, okay, did the same thing. Mother Amma used to say that this would keep the insects away. So the mixture of cow dung and mud which his mother used to coat the floor, that would keep insects away. That means she was coating the floor with the cow dung and mud, because that cow dung and mud will keep insect away, okay, like house fly, all those insects, small insects, that cow dung would keep it away. So then it was the turn for the roof to be made. So after the floor and the walls, it was the turn for the roof to make roof, okay. Baba made frame by joining stripes of wood. So Baba, what did he do? He joined some stripes of wood and fixed it on the four walls. So, and we put branches of neem and kikar trees on the frame. So when father made the frames like by joining the stripes of wood, and when he fixed that the stripe of wood on the floors, four side of the wall, they all of them helped father to put branches of neem and kikar trees, okay, that termites would not harm the wood, because with the branches of neem and kikar trees, all the insect like termites would not harm the wood, because termites would eat up the wood and they will destroy the wood. But to prevent that, they put branches of neem and kikar trees, okay. Amma put old gunny bags on these and covered them with mud. So what did Amma do? Amma put old gunny bag, that means which was old, okay, old gunny bag, and she covered it, that gunny bag with, that old gunny bag with mud, okay. Most of the houses around our house were made like ours. A few were different, but I liked my house the best. It was just like our old house. So as I told you that many people moved from their place similarly like them, but and everyone were making their house, and in the nearby places he saw many houses and all of them were similar, but only few of them were different, okay. And among all those houses, Chetan Das liked, or he was only liking his house, because, and he was thinking that, he thought that my house is the best house among all, okay. And that house which they made the house which they made in this place near Delhi, I told you, because they have already moved to Delhi, near Delhi. So there, that house which they made was similar, okay, that was just like, that means it was same as the house, okay, the old house which they had in Dera Ghazi Khan, okay, it was same. It was same as the old house, as their old house, okay. So here are some questions given. Find out and write. Talk to anyone of your grandparents, so and or any other elderly person. Find out when she or he was 9 years old. Where did she or he lives? Name that place. So you have to ask your grandparents, that means your mother's parents or maybe father's parents, and ask them that when they at their age of 8 and 9, like when they were 8 or 9 years old, where were they living, okay. You have to ask them and you have to write the place where they were staying. So another one is, from what material was her or his house made? So you have to ask them like from what, or like from which material they had made their house that time. You have to ask them. Did they have a toilet in their house? If no, where was it? So you have to ask them that whether they had toilets and all. Okay, and if they had, then you have to write. If they did not had that time, then where did they used to go for toilets and all. Okay, in which part of the house was food cooked? So you have to ask them in their house where, at which place they were cooking their food. Okay, a lot of mud was used when Chetan Das house was made. Why? So I told you in this story, or in this incident, or in this incident of in this part of Chetan Das experience, he said that they were using muds, okay, to coat the floor and doing all the things. So I told you that they were using lots of mud. Okay, and why they used it? You have to mention the thing, to make the house strong, and to make the to keep insects away also. Okay, so the third one is a changing house. So time passed quickly. So time will obviously pass quickly. Time will wait for no one. Okay, I finished my study. So Chetan Das finished his studies and he got job. Amma Baba wanted me to get married. So when he got job, his father and mother wanted him to get married. I thought that before I got married, we should repair our house and build one more room. So when his father and mother told him to get married, or when they wanted him to get married, he thought to himself that before getting married, I should repair my house, because their house were made of mud. Okay, and he thought that I have to repair my house and I have to build one more room. So in those days, people in cities were using cement. So in those days, that means in the times of Chetan Das, in Chetan Das time, what was happening was all the city peoples were using cement, okay, to make their house, to build their house. They said that this made the houses stronger. So they were using cement because they wanted their house to be stronger. We also thought we would use cement. So when he saw all the people using cement, and when they heard everyone saying that the cement will make the house stronger, he also thought that he will use cement to repair their house. We used iron and cement for making the roof of the new room. So I told you that he thought of building or making one more room, and they used iron and cement, okay, to make the roof of the new room. Okay, in those days, unbaked bricks were also available in the market. So in the market those days, unbaked bricks were like available. Okay, that time they used to get unbaked bricks also. We made the walls with them. So that new room which he was making, he used unbaked bricks to make the walls, okay, for the new room. The use of bricks was useful. So at that time, what happens was, the uses of bricks were very there were various uses of bricks. We did not need to coat the wall every week. So in those times, there were lots of uses of bricks. So if they use bricks, unbaked bricks, to make the walls and all, they are not so it was not so compulsory to coat the walls. Once a year we would whitewash the walls. So once a year, like in whole year, at once they will whitewash. That means they will wash the walls. We also build a small kitchen in the courtyard. So in the courtyard, in the front area, they build small kitchen also. Okay, the kitchen had a mud chula and place to keep the vessels. So in the kitchen, I told you that in the courtyard they made small kitchen, and there was a mud chula. Okay, chulha, you all know, where we will burn the hoods to cook food, and there were some places to keep the dishes or vessels, okay, whatever utensils we will get, for that they made place. Then I got married. So after building one house, one more room, Chetan Das got married, and my wife Suman came to our new house. So his wife name was Suman. So Suman came to their new house to cook. Suman used to sit on the floor in the kitchen. So when Suman, that means Chetan Das' wife, came to their new house, she used to cook food. That means she used to sit on the floor and she used to cook food, okay, sitting on the floor of the kitchen. We all used to sit on mats in the kitchen and eat together. So Suman used to cook food. That means she used to cook all the foods sitting in the floor of the kitchen, and all of them, like Chetan Das, his father, mother, and younger sisters and younger brothers will all sit on the mats of the kitchen, in the kitchen, and they would eat together. It was a happy time. They all, as they were eating and sitting together in the floor, they all were very happy. Those times were very happy. People used to go out to the field for their toilet in those days. So in those days, still also you all can see that some of them will go to the fields to do toilets and all. So similarly, in their times also, in Chetanda's times also, many people, all of them were using using field for their as their toilets, okay. So they all used to go to fields for doing all these type of things, okay. Some of the houses had a separate place for this. So here now also you can see some of them will be going to fields, and now as we all are civilized, we can see the separate toilets all build, okay, they will all build a separate place. They will make some small area for the all these things like toilets and all. So that time also some of them had separate place. That means some of them had different place for toilets and all. We also made a small toilet with unbaked bricks behind the house. So back to their house they also made one small toilet with unbaked bricks, okay. So, Chetan Das tells that people from the Basti used to come to clean the toilets and take away the waste. They were not allowed to enter the house. The people who used the toilet did not clean them. Discuss. Is there a toilet in your house? Who cleans it? So, Chetan Das also told all the people. Chetan Das also says that people from the Basti area, like village area, they used to come to the place or to the cities, not cities, to the people who had their separate toilet, and the Basti people they were cleaning the toilets, and they were taking away the waste, but they were not allowed to enter the house, okay. That means the people who has their own separate toilets, they were not cleaning the toilets, but the people from Basti, okay, they were coming and cleaning their toilets and taking out their waste. That means the people who use the toilets, they were not cleaning the toilets. So what is your opinion? What do you think about that? You have to discuss, okay. So if you have toilet in your house, is there a toilet in your house? Yes, we all have toilets in our house, because we all are now civilized. We know that we should not go to fields for all these things. So that is why we have toilets in our house. So who cleans it? Whether you will clean, whether your father or mother, who cleans, you have to write it, okay.